How to pay in installments with ShopPay. Let's get started. Today I'm going to answer you about this question. For this purpose, follow the instructions in this video till the end so you don't miss any important step. Shop online at a participating store and add items to your cart. Next, proceed to checkout when you are ready to purchase. Select ShopPay as your payment method at checkout. Now choose installments. If you are eligible, you will see the option to pay in installments, or you can split into 4 equal payments or monthly payments. Then review terms, check the payment plan details including any interest or fee. Complete application, provide necessary information and complete the application for installment payments. Then confirm purchase. Once approved, review your installment plan and confirm the purchase. That's how you can pay in installments with ShopPay. That's all.